Okay, so you don't have guided notes for this, so I'm just going to do a quick thing that you can write on paper. So we're going to talk about parallel lines cut by a transversal. So I need you to draw what I've drawn on a piece of paper. So pause me for a second and get that drawn. And we're going to talk about the relationship between these angles. So if those are parallel lines and the transversal is this, okay, that's the transversal. It intersects the parallel lines at two different points and makes those 8 angles. So angle 1 and angle 8 are what we call same side exterior angles. Okay. We have another pair of them, angle 2 and angle 7. And if you notice, they are, so angle 1 and angle 8, they're on the same side of the transversal, but the outside of the parallel line, the exterior. The parallel lines kind of make a sandwich, right? So we talk about outside the sandwich, right? Same side of the transversal. And then we have angle 1 and, not angle 1, sorry, angle 4 and angle 5 are same side interior angles. The other pair is angle 3 and angle 6. And you see they are on the same side, 4 and 5, of the transversal, but the interior of the parallel lines. Same thing for 3 and 6. The interior of the parallel lines, same side of the transversal. Then we have angle 1 and angle 7. They are alternate exterior angles. The other pair would be angle 2 and angle 8. So exterior angles, alternate sides of the transversal. And then we have angle 4 and angle 6 and angle 3 and angle 5. These are alternate interior angles. Okay, now let's talk about the relationship between these. These same side, okay, same side exterior angles are supplementary. Same side interior angles supplementary. And if you look, well, I'll show you in a minute. Alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles are congruent. They equal each other. Now there is one more set of angles in this, and it is angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, and angle 4 and angle 8. And we call them corresponding angles. And they are congruent. Now, and if you think about it, 1 and 5. If I've picked up this intersection and set it on top of that, set it right there, 1 and 5 would be in the same place, wouldn't it? And so do you see the 5 and 8 are supplementary, aren't they? They are linear pair. Well, if I pick this up and put 1 on top of it, 1 and 8 would be supplementary. Do you see how that relationship transposes over there and gives them the supplementary? Anyway, we will be working more with this, but if you have this down and maybe it'll help us get started tomorrow.